Hello, my name is Harold Valencia. I'm from Bogota. I am 30 years old. Stay one. My last vacation is in the city of Ibagué. I went with my parents and sister. We stayed in vacation center. I and pool and different street games. It was very fun for all of us when we went to different places in the city in Chiba, knowing shopping center, but we as enjoy Andelis, Andelis lechona and other dish of the region from the vacation with broad but very good memories. I invite you to visit this this beautiful city. Stage 2. Wait in Wait in this sunny people should apply up sunscreen. Wet is windy way should put on a scarf. We must stay in the house. They should open the windows. They should wear and coat. Stay 3. One job should do. People should go to Johnny Key Island. One should do. People should not litter on beach. And Peter no go to the sand naked. People only know will under the influence of alcohol. Thank you.